Hey guys, I have another gambling installment with Royal Tiger Imports today. On February 27th, I purchased a B grade, I forget what it was, a Gras Carbine. I've made a few orders since this order, and all three of them have arrived. After I placed this order, they told me several times that it was going to ship. Didn't ship until a couple days ago when a very nice lady on the phone told me that all the B grades were, they needed some work done to them. So let's see if I finally, I think this one's going to be a real dog. So let's see. Got this terrible knife. Oh yeah, that won't even cut. Cool. So yeah, $199 back in February. All right. Get rid of this. So if you've seen my other RTI gambling videos, I mean, I feel like I'm kind of ahead. The Enfield, that kind of looks like shit, but it shoots really nice. The B-grade Mauser, keyholes. All right, let's get rid of this shit. So here it is. So let's see. I appear to have a mostly intact rear sight, missing the slider. Do I dare, all right. 1876. Got some cool Ethiopian Aramaic writing. I mean, let's see. Doesn't seem to be too messed up. A little dirty. Tiny crack in the stock, but you know, I'm not complaining. Let's move the camera around, I'll get a close-up on it. Actually, hold on. Oh. Okay, so maybe the carbine version can't accept a bayonet? I didn't know that. I did no research, and I've had this bayonet for about 15 years, so. How's the cleaning run? Cool. All right. Here is the $199 B grade Gras Carbine from Royal Tiger Imports. And I have no idea what that says. I think it makes it look pretty cool. Obviously, Mr. Ethiopian wire wheel got to it because you could see how much pitting was on it. And now it's shiny. The bore is packed full of cosmoline. I can see grooves and lands in the rifling, so yeah, I mean, it should be a shooter. We got 1872, 1876. I assume it's an 1876. I don't know if that's the... Oh, hold on. We get the serial number on the bolt here. I mean, I'm going to shoot this, so I really don't care what it looks like. I'm probably going to shoot some 410 through it first. I got one of those converter shells. So yeah, I'll take it to the range in a few days and get a shooting video. I mean, it's kind of a piece of shit, but I definitely expected that with a B grade. I mean, I'm satisfied for 199 bucks. Can't really go wrong. Local shops in Massachusetts would probably try to sell something like this for like $700 or $800 in its current condition, and I'm not going to pay that prices. Cool. Trying to get better at filming the bores here, but you know, this one has rifling. It's still really dirty. I got to send a brass brush down there. Since 11mm Gras isn't really common, I went to Proteus Armaments and I bought a shell adapter so I could shoot 410 through this. And yeah, that's what it looks like.